Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. Today our dish is stuffed cabbage, and the ingredient for that, we need 2 cups rice. I already soaked and cleaned. We have 8 ounces of ground beef, cabbage, 1 large one, garlic, tomato paste, and fresh crushed tomato. So now I'm gonna mix the meat, ground beef. I'm gonna put some salt, black pepper, 7 spices. I like the 7 spices with it. And I'm gonna put some tomato paste with the stuffing, 1 tablespoon. And I'm gonna add 1 cup crushed tomato. So I'm gonna mix it all together. So I'm gonna add 8 cloves of crushed garlic. Like maybe 2 tablespoons of butter, half a cup. And I'm gonna add 1 more tablespoon tomato paste and little bit more because they are too dry. Like about 1.5 cups of the tomato puree. So this is the cabbage. I get the large cabbage. I cut it, I took the leaves and I boil it for like 10 minutes until like the leaf is like little soft so you can roll it and it won't break. Everybody roll it differently, so you can do it whatever you want. And one more tip, this side is thick, hard, so you can't roll it. I cut it and I put it in the bottom of the pot that you are going to cook. In this way they won't get burned. With the cabbage you can put stuffing as much as you want. You like just a little stuffing, you like it thicker, you can do it. And stack them around, because after we finish we are going to put something heavy like 2-3 plates in top, and then put the sauce. We can cook it, because if you don't put anything heavy in top it will open and all the rice will go mixed together with the leaves. So we rolled all of these. Now we are going to stack them on this pot and cook them. So this dish, it takes time to cook or to make, but believe me, it's worth it. And it's very famous. You can make it vegan, you can make it with meat, and even with meat there is two recipes. Today I made one. Next time we'll make the other one. The other one, they don't put tomato paste with it. They just use like dry mint and lemon. Some people, they put some garbanzo beans with it. You don't want them to be too loose. You want them to be tight so the rice won't come out. And this is the same. You can make them small, you can make them large like this. It's up to you. تعرفي انه هون الورق العنب والملفوف بياخدوا اكثر ما هو عنا؟ طبخ. ايه. Hi fat food. Okay. Now after we stack them, we want to make the sauce for it. So for the sauce, we need, this is 1 cup and a half a crushed tomato. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons tomato paste with it. I'm gonna add water. Here, because we have 2 cups of rice, I'm gonna put 3 cups and a half water. So here we have the black pepper. I'm not gonna put too much. Some people, they don't like it too spicy. I'm gonna put salt. And I'm gonna add the 7 spices. I might need a little bit more, but I'm gonna add 1 more jar, so I will mix it with the other one. So I'm gonna add some garlic in top. Usually I put between the layers some garlic, it's good too. And now I'm gonna put the plate. Most likely I'm gonna be adding more than plate, so because I want it heavy. Sometimes, like if I have like a nice rock or stone, small one, clean, I put it in top, or anything heavy. So this is my second jar, same ingredient. It's not too much water, because here the cabbage, it takes longer time to cook. So I want to make sure that I have enough water or sauce so it won't get burned from the bottom. First, I'll put them in high heat until they start boil, and then we'll put it in low heat and cook them for like 30 to 40 minutes. So this is our cabbage dish. We cook it for 45 minutes. It's so juicy, so tender, so delicious. Please try it and let me know how it will come out with you. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you next week. Bye.